welcome to my channel. Today's video is going to be about opening a box of bird toys that I ordered online. They're Christmas toys, and this is Stormy, my cockatiel. Say hello. He's gonna help me. And so I usually buy the toys from the pet store, but I couldn't really find any appropriate ones or ones that I like. They weren't too Christmassy. But these ones are. I got them from a neat little website, and I'm gonna be unboxing the box, and I'm gonna give the toys to my birds. So I wanted to show everybody. So let's have a look and see what's inside with the help of Stormy. Give me a kiss. He doesn't really kiss me, he bites my lip instead. Okay, so let's see what's inside. Okay, Stormy, what are we gonna do next? Huh? To get the paper out of there first. Wow! Look inside. Look. So look at all the toys, all red and green. This is really nice. That could be for you, Stormy. That looks nice and chewable. Wow, like a star. I actually got a few of these because they look really pretty and they're a star, and this is really nice chewing material for the birds. Look at this. I got 3. I can't remember how much I got, but I know I have enough for each bird. Look at this one. That's beautiful. I love them all. Wow. I have to order from this place more often. That's nice. This is soft, like that soft wood. They can really chew that. That'll be good for my budgies. They like to chew, especially the females. Look at this one. What do you think about that, Stormy? I know you kind of have one like this. They like to chew this part. Okay. Oh, I didn't know they were that big. Wow. I thought these were small when I ordered them. And they're pretty big, so I'll probably give this to Rio, my Indian ringneck. It's huge. They're probably gonna chew on this for like a year. So I got a few of them. It's another one. And another one. Oh, you guys are gonna have toys forever. Look at this neat one. Which one you like best, Stormy? You like this? You like those papers to grab? Yeah? Oh, this is nice. I really love this. There's another star. Very, very pretty. Oh, look at these ones. It's more like foot toys. There's no hook on them, but I guess I can hook a hook on that. That's pretty. I got a few of these ones. I thought they had a hook, but that's okay. I can hook something up. And they're more like foraging foot toys or something. But I love the colors. Here's another one. It's similar to the other one. And I'll show you the website in case you're interested. It's called featheraddictions.com. I'll put the link below. And they got pretty neat stuff there. So I'm really impressed. I think they're in BC. I didn't really look. I just ordered. It's like I'm very, very spur of the moment kind of thing. I have no idea where anything comes from. I just order it, even if it costs me a fortune. I shouldn't do that, I guess, eh? Oh, look at this one. I don't know how to hang it up though. Probably from, oh, there's the hook. I think I got this one for my lorikeet, Dazzle, because he loves to smash things around. Look at this shiny ball here, another ball. These plastic things, because he does, you know, have watery drop-ins, so it'll get messy. So I want it easy to clean. It's plastic. And then there's this little ball thing. So yeah, that's probably for my lorikeet. And let's see. I think that's everything except for the box. Come here, sweetie. Up. So we have to decide which one to give you, huh? Yeah, I want to say thank you. Thank you for helping me open the box. So I'm gonna go give all the toys to all my birds. So come with me. Okay, this is Snowball, my canary. I'm going to give him the shredding toy because I like to shred. And this one goes to my budgies. I'm going to give this to Rosie and Roxy, my two Borks. And another star to my other two Borks, Raspberry and Rosita. This toy is going to Merlin, my Linny. And my other two Linnies, Pickles and Nugget, are going to get the same toy as Merlin. So Monty, my cockatiel, is going to get this toy as well, his Stormy. Look! Monty! Okay, my other Canary Shimmer is going to get the shredding toy. She can just pull all that out and keep her busy anyways. And my lovebird, Sprinkles, is going to get this toy. And Dazzle, my lorikeet, will get this toy. So Rio's gonna get this toy. It's really cute. It's got a Christmas tree, all those little papers to pull, and these two items, they come out of there. So she loves to look at her. She wants to see it already. Oh, she's already grabbing it. And this toy is gonna go to Electra, my Senegal parrot. And these are my baby canaries, Sherbert and Sweetie's babies. So I'm not going to put a toy in their cage because I really don't want her shredding toys to make another nest, and I don't want to disturb them. They're busy gathering food on the bottom of the cage and in their bowls, and they should feed the babies any second. So I thought I would show a little bit of a clip for this for the awe factor. Let's see if they feed them. So hope you enjoyed my video. Weren't the canaries cute? They're 15 days old. and they're going to come out of the nest any day. And I want to thank you very much for watching. Make sure you subscribe if you haven't already, and we'll see you in the next video. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.